Hi everyone, it's Mark here, product manager from Orbital Witness. Wanted to demo for you today a new feature that we are rolling out shortly to our residential product. For those of you familiar with the products already, the idea is that you can send us a lease to review for a residential property transaction, and we will provide you with an output that you can see here with some sort of standard questions and answers that you'd want to know about this lease. Just scrolling down to one of our longer text answers, which is our looking at this question: what rights are granted to the tenant in the lease? So at the moment, we sort of extract fairly verbatim what the rights granted to the tenant are from the lease. And as you can imagine, sort of if you're reporting to your customer, you'll have to do a fair bit of work on this in order to translate it into something that they will understand. We also have a sort of a signpost here so that you can just sort of copy and paste that and directly insert that into your report. But what we wanted to do was using some of the sort of latest generative AI technology that's available to us. We are now rolling out summaries. So what this does is it summarizes that sort of big chunk of text into something that's much more easy for a layperson or a home buyer to understand. So you can see, looking at this full extract, there's a fair amount of what I would call legal jargon in here, with very few sort of stops, full stops, or commas in there. But what the summary feature is doing for you is summarizing that into really nice and clean 3 points here. So as you know, with all of our things, you can copy and paste it here, copy and paste it directly into your reports, into Word, into your case management system, whatever it is you're using. So you've got lots of different options now, depending on how you want to report to your customer. You've got the full extract here, you've got a signpost here that you can just sort of direct the home buyer to that place in the lease if they want to read it themselves, but also a sort of a translation here that summarizes those rights for you. So yeah, we're really excited about this stuff. We're going to be rolling this out to a bunch of new different questions, probably to sort of alterations, summarizing those, and also into things like our alienation conditions, which are often quite complicated and would really benefit from a sort of a summary from generative AI. So yeah, thanks for watching.